After that excellent bowling.
I think I know the rain came in between, but it's always good to start with a win. I think the bowlers really bowled well on that type of wicket, and I think I must give credit to the Nepal team that they really came back very strong. And Lami Chane, as usual, he bowled well, but good to be on a winning note.
There were some drops in Nepal's end, but UAE's fielding, I think it was the best we've seen. How much effort have you put in that department?
Yeah, after the World Cup, I think we had a 1 and a half month camp. That really helped us because if you want to win, your fielding should be very good. And I'm sure today you have seen that we really applied ourselves and our fielding has improved a lot, I think. Still there are areas where we could, because you saw that one run out, and in fact we missed 2-3 run outs from Wasim, who was our best fielder, but still we are getting it there.
We've got some new players, a bit different style this time. They've been nationalized. How big of a boost is that for you as a coach to have such assets in your team?
I think it's always good to have players who have really played well and who have got a lot of experience, and it really adds value to the team as well and to the other players as well, because they learn a lot from these senior cricketers as well.
On one side, you've got new players, but those players, you've been with the UAE side for long. Those coming on from age group, what message does that send for them?
I think it's always good that you have players who have performed well. So there is competition, and the players, if they want to be in a team, they have to compete well against the best players. And I think when competition comes, the players also try to perform better.
You're here for CWC. We see Oman squad coming and playing ODIs, but you choose to go for T20s. What's the idea behind that?
Yeah, because we had not played T20 after the World Cup, so I think it was good that we just wanted to gel. And I'm coming for the first time, so I never knew the conditions before the CWC. So I think this is very good, I would say a setup for the League 2.
From Nepal's perspective, this is new look Nepal team. How do you find them? Because you've played them for a long time.
See, Nepal is always competitive team. We cannot take it lightly. If you've seen the World Cup as well, they almost beat England. So we cannot take lightly. And I think you had a NPL recently. You got players who have performed well. So I think it argues well that there are competition and players have to perform to get in the national team.